10 exercises for men that will build your strength and stability. Want to unlock your true strength and transform your fitness routine? It's not just about lifting heavier weights. It's about developing the stability and power that come from mastering essential movements. If you're ready to take your workout to the next level, then you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be diving into 10 exercises specifically designed to build your strength and stability, targeting your core, balance, and overall muscle development. Stick around to find out which exercises you should be doing to improve your physical performance and build a solid foundation for all your fitness goals. Introduction. When it comes to fitness, many people focus solely on building muscle mass or pushing their limits with high-intensity cardio. But without strength and stability, even the most powerful muscles can fail you when it matters most. Strength isn't just about size. It's about control, balance, and the ability to perform in a variety of situations. Stability, on the other hand, allows you to maintain control of your movements, preventing injury, and ensuring that your body is capable of handling the stresses you put on it. In today's video, we'll go over 10 exercises that will not only increase your strength, but will also improve your stability, creating a more balanced and powerful body. Let's dive in. Exercise hash 1. Deadlifts. The deadlift is one of the most foundational strength exercises that targets your back, legs, and core. This compound movement works multiple muscle groups, including your glutes, hamstrings, and lower back. The key to proper form lies in your stability. Maintaining a straight back while lifting is crucial to preventing injury. Deadlifts build overall strength while improving your posture and core stability. Start with moderate weight to master the form, and as your stability improves, progressively increase the load. This will not only help you develop raw strength, but also enhance your ability to maintain control under heavy loads. Exercise hash 2. Squats. Squats are a classic and effective exercise to build strength in your lower body and improve your stability. Whether you're doing bodyweight squats, goblet squats, or barbell squats, this exercise engages your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and core. The deeper you squat, the more emphasis you put on your core and stability muscles. Strong squat ensures that your legs are powered for activities like running, jumping, or even climbing. To build stability, focus on keeping your knees aligned with your toes and your back straight throughout the movement. Adding weight as you progress will build strength while also reinforcing your ability to balance under load. Exercise hash 3. Plank. The plank is an isometric exercise that engages your entire core, including the abdominals, back, and shoulders. Holding a plank for extended periods builds endurance and core strength, which is the foundation for all other movements. By improving core stability, you can prevent injuries and improve your posture, balance, and coordination. To get the most out of planks, keep your body in a straight line from your head to your heels. Engage your glutes and quads to avoid sagging in the lower back. Start with shorter holds, gradually working your way up to longer durations. This exercise will give you better control and stability in both daily activities and intense workouts. Exercise hash 4. Lunges. Lunges are another great exercise for building strength and stability in your legs, glutes, and core. They target the quads, hamstrings, and glutes while improving balance and stability in each leg individually. Lunges also help you work on your unilateral strength, which is vital for preventing imbalances and injury. For maximum benefit, focus on keeping your torso upright as you step forward. Push through the heel of the front foot and avoid letting the knee extend past your toes. You can progress lunges by adding dumbbells or using a barbell for added resistance, further challenging your stability and strength. Exercise hash 5. Push-ups. The push-up is a classic exercise that builds upper body strength while engaging your core for stability. This bodyweight exercise targets the chest, shoulders, and triceps, but it also helps to develop balance and control. As you lower and lift your body, your core must engage to keep your body straight, which builds stability and helps improve your posture. If regular push-ups are too challenging, start by doing them on your knees or against a wall to build your strength. As you get stronger, you can move on to full push-ups and even progress to more challenging variations like diamond push-ups or decline push-ups to target different muscle groups. Exercise hash 6. Renegade rows. Renegade rows are a dynamic exercise that combines core stability and upper body strength. This exercise targets your back, shoulders, and arms while requiring significant stabilization from your core. By using dumbbells, you'll add resistance to the movement, making it a great way to increase your strength while challenging your balance. Start by getting into a plank position with a dumbbell in each hand. Perform a roll by pulling one dumbbell towards your ribcage while maintaining a stable plank position. Keep your hips squared to the ground and your core engaged to prevent rocking or twisting. This exercise builds upper body strength and stability, especially in your core and shoulders. Exercise #7. Kettlebell swings. Kettlebell swings are an explosive exercise that builds strength and stability in your hips, glutes, and core. This exercise is great for developing power and improving your posterior chain, which includes the muscles in your lower back, glutes, and hamstrings. Focus on hanging at the hips rather than squatting down as you swing the kettlebell. Keep your core engaged and your back straight throughout the movement. Kettlebell swings require coordination, balance, and control, making them an excellent exercise to boost both your strength and stability. Exercise #8. Russian twists. Russian twists are a fantastic core exercise that builds rotational strength and stability. This movement targets your obliques, lower back, and hip flexors, making it essential for improving your stability during rotational movements. To perform a Russian twist, sit on the floor with your knees bent and feet lifted off the ground. Lean back slightly and twist your torso to each side while holding a weight or medicine ball in your hands. Engaging your core throughout the movement is crucial for maximizing the effectiveness of this exercise and building strength. Exercise #9. Single leg deadlifts. Single leg deadlifts are excellent for building strength and stability in your legs and core. This unilateral exercise challenges your balance by forcing you to stabilize on one leg while performing the movement, which improves coordination and helps correct imbalances between your legs. Hold a dumbbell or kettlebell in one hand and slowly hinge at the hips while lifting one leg behind you. Focus on maintaining a straight back and engaging your core to protect your lower back. Single leg deadlifts will build strength in your posterior chain and improve your overall stability. Exercise #10. Bear crawls. Bear crawls are a dynamic movement that engages multiple muscle groups and builds strength, stability, and endurance. This full body exercise targets the shoulders, core, legs, and even your back, while also improving coordination and balance. To perform a bear crawl, get into a tabletop position with your hands and feet on the ground. Lift your knees slightly off the floor and begin crawling forward by moving one arm and the opposite leg at the same time. Focus on keeping your core engaged and your body low to the ground to increase stability and control. Conclusion: building strength and stability isn't just about getting bigger or lifting more weight. It's about enhancing your ability to move, balance, and perform in everyday life. Incorporating these 10 exercises into your routine will not only improve your strength, but also help you develop the stability you need to prevent injury, boost performance, and achieve long-term fitness success. Remember, strength is built through consistency, proper form, and a well-rounded routine that targets all the key areas of the body. So, start incorporating these exercises into your workout plan and watch your stability and strength improve. Call to action: if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips, workout routines, and expert advice. Share your favorite exercise for strength and stability in the comments below, or let us know what other fitness topics you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.